You don't know. Bad man. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm really glad you clicked on this video. And for those who don't know me, my name is Aisa. Yeah, I'm really glad you're here. So today I decided to do this soft summer glam, and it's kind of like really glowy. I really like the look, and I hope you guys like it too. So we're gonna get into the video, but before we do so, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and yeah, just hit the bell so you can stay notified of when we post our next videos. Hey babes, so first off, we are going to start with my VDL Lumilayer Primer. I swear this is my go-to primer for summer, just because it has like these glittery like speckles in it, and it just makes my face look automatically glowy. So I love this primer for the summer. Next off, we are going to go ahead and color correct using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Cream Kit, and I'm using the color Coral to do so. If you're a regular, you know this is my go-to palette for highlight, cream contour, everything. So recently I've been using the Covergirl Vitalist Elixir foundation in the color 657, and I like this foundation a lot. I just love how it makes my skin feel, and it doesn't feel like too heavy on my skin, and I love the finish of it. Like, I love the finish of it. So that's the one I've been using, and yeah, it's been working perfectly for now. I haven't been outside too much yet, so I have tanned, but not like drastically, so this foundation still fits me. And of course I'm going to apply it first with my brush, and I make sure to get my neck because we don't want no, changes or like demarcation. And then after that, I like to go in and blend everything in with my beauty blender, just because I feel like the beauty blender gives it a more skin-like finish, you know what I mean? And sometimes my brushes kind of leave streaks, so I feel like I need to find new brushes, like to do foundation with my brushes, because I used to do foundation with my brushes, but lately I really haven't been liking it, just because it leaves streaks on my face, and the beauty blender has been my best friend. So now it is time to highlight, and for that I'm going to be using still my ABH contour cream kit, and I'll be using the color Nude to highlight obviously my forehead, the bridge of my nose, underneath my eyes, my cupid's bow area, my chin, and my cheeks, because we still want that contour to look like sharp, you know what I mean? And of course I'm gonna go in and just blend everything out with my beauty blender. I'm telling you guys, like, the beauty blender has become my friend, even though lately, like, I've been having trouble with it. I don't know, I just, it kind of started, sometimes it takes too much of the product off. Let me know if you guys have had that problem in the past. But yeah, I've figured out ways to make it work. I also think it's just like when I'm doing my makeup in the brush, things just, nothing goes the way I want it to go. So yeah, other than that, the beauty blender has been my best friend, honestly. So lately I've been using the Huda Bake powder in the shade Blondie, and oh my god guys, this smells so good. This smells divine. Like, I don't know what she put in it, but it smells so good. And yeah, I just love how it sets my areas, my highlighted areas. and it's not too dry or too cakey. So I really like this product. Like, I really think I need to just go and buy some more. So now it is time to contour, and because this is kind of like a summery, you know, everyday look, I'm not going to cream contour. So I'm only going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit, and this is in the shade medium to tan, or the palette is the medium to tan one. And the shade that I'm using is Espresso. I do think it's a bit dark, like a little too dark for me at the moment. Like, cause I have a tan. I kind of have a tan, but I feel like I'm not quite there yet, so it's still a little too dark for me. But yeah, your girl is broke, so I haven't had the chance to actually go and purchase the proper powder that would fit me for contour. So I've been working with this, and it's been working fine. Okay, I have no problem against it. But yeah, I'm just gonna contour my cheekbones, my jawline, my nose, obviously, and yeah. So now it is time for brows, and I'll be using my Rimmel London pencil in the shade Black Brown, and I'm just going to go ahead and brush out my brows hairs first. And then what I normally do is I normally shape my brow, and then after it's shaped, then I just go in and fill it in. And I will also be using the concealer to kind of just fix them up afterwards, because yeah, they were looking a little uneven. So, but yeah, like people like to say, brows are sisters, not twins. So if you've watched my most recent tutorial where I used this palette, I'll be using the e.l.f. Rose Gold Sunset palette, and I love this palette, guys. I'm just going in with that brown shade and just putting that in my crease. And if you haven't seen that video, make sure you go watch it. It will be in the cards up on top of me. The next thing I'm going to be doing is using concealer to kind of carve out my lid area and kind of cut that crease so that the colors that I put there will pop and show up more, because I really wanted that color, especially the one that I'm going to put closer to my inner eye, to pop. So that's just what I'm doing over here, and for that I'm using the same concealer from my ABH contour cream kit, and that's in the shade Nude. And of course I'm going to go ahead afterwards and just go back with that brown shade and blend in any sharp edges. Next, I'm going to go back in that palette and use that gold shade, and I'm going to concentrate this shade mostly in the inner part of my eyelid, okay? So I'm not going to go too far up, so I'm probably going to stop about in the middle of my eyelid and just pack on that shade until I get the desired color payoff. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go in with this rose gold color, and that I'm going to put that more in the middle of my lid, and same thing, I won't go too far, but I'll be kind of linking them together and mixing them up. And of course, when all of that is done, I'm going to go back with that brown shade and just blend everything to make sure that there's no harsh lines and that everything blends in together seamlessly, okay? So next I'm gonna go ahead and put some mascara, and I'll be using my Maybelline Sensational Lash Mascara. I love this mascara, guys. Like, it's just perfect. And after applying my mascara, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my Ardell lashes off camera. So I'm back, my lashes are on. We're gonna move on to blush, and I'll be using my duo blush from NICKAK New York as always, and just putting that on the apples of my cheek. Now this is probably my favorite part of it. We're gonna move on to highlight, and so I'll be using the Carli Bybel palette as always, and I'll be dipping my brush into that gold shade. You want to look more like natural and golden, you know? So yeah, I'm gonna put that on my cheek, my cheekbones, my nose, of course, my forehead, my cupid's bow area, and yeah, just lather it up because we love to be glowing in the summer, okay? Moving on to the lips, I'll be using my ABH lip palette, and this is the volume 1, and I'll be using the color number 6 only to outline my lips. I need a good brown lip pencil. Like, honestly guys, I've just been wanting a good brown lip pencil, and the one that I've been using, I don't know, I don't like the outcome as much, but yeah, so I'll be using this color, the shade number 6, to outline my lips first. And once that is done, I'm gonna go ahead and use my True Matte lipstick by NICKAK New York in the color Santa Fe, and I'll just be putting that in the middle of my lips and just blending everything in basically. So I already sprayed my face with another mist, but I'll be putting this Milani one on top because I love the finish and it's extremely matte, guys. So guys, this is the final look. This is the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look and this video. You know, we really like making makeup tutorials and hair tutorials actually. But yeah, we really hope you guys are enjoying it, and we really appreciate every single one of you guys that keep coming back and keep watching our videos and supporting us. It really means a lot. And yeah, we hope to see you guys in our next video. And of course, I wish you guys all the best. Have a good day, morning, evening, afternoon, whatever time it is when you're watching this. So yeah, see you guys in our next video. Bye.
What else? Your body